Okay, so we can hit the ball with the paddle, but nothing bad happens to us right now if we don't hit the ball and it just goes to the bottom of the screen. Let's make it so that the game ends if the ball hits the bottom of the screen. Here's how you can do that. We have this line sprite in the sprite library. So if you click and add that to your project, you can drag it to the bottom of the screen. And now let's make it so that if the ball ever touches this line that's under the paddle, then the game ends. Let's say if the line sprite makes contact with whatever your object is, so I'll pick the ball from the menu, have it stop all. There's this block in the control category, and that will stop everything in your game. So let's put that in here. And just like before, we need to put a forever loop around this so that the line is always checking if it connected with the object. And let's make this also start when the green flag is clicked. And let's test it out. So, if I'm playing the game and I don't manage to catch the ball, it stops the game. There we go. And you can restart it to try again. Now, let me show you how to add multiple levels to your game. And first, to do that, let's add a score. We can make a variable, and a variable in Scratch just keeps track of a certain number in your game. So we can name this variable score, and every time the player hits the ball, let's change the score by 1. So they get a point. There we go, pretty nice. And when the green flag is clicked, let's reset the score back to 0 every time you start the game again. Now, here's how you can add another level. After you set the score to 0, you can use this block and wait until the score is greater than, let's say, 5. So this block will make the project wait until this thing happens before it does the next block you put under it. And to make it go to another level, let's go to the next backdrop. And you can add another backdrop to be where the second level is. You can have the second level be anywhere you want. And now, when you get 5 points, it goes to the next backdrop, to the next level. And also, let's add a block up here and switch the backdrop to the first backdrop we want it to start at. So I'll switch it to Boardwalk. And that will sort of set your beginning level.